My name is Hans-Peter. Welcome to Computex 2019. I'm the PM for the HydraX series product line, and I'd like to take you through some of the products here. To start off with, we have our XC7 and XC9 CPU blocks. The XC7 is aimed at Intel 1150X and AMD AM4. We have the XC9, which is aimed for the high-end desktop market, such as the Intel 2066 AMD Threadripper. The XC9 here has over 70 high-performance cooling fins in here. We designed this with a technology called skiving. So we have a very high-performance CPU block that can cool even the most highest wattage CPUs. The CPU blocks has been designed with ease of mounting in mind. So we have pre-applied thermal paste. For the Threadripper and 11 socket 2066, we have pre-applied screws here. So it's literally just put this onto your motherboard and screw it into it. The material that we have made these of are transparent, heavy-duty nylon. So no matter how much beat up these things get, they will handle it. So these are incredibly durable products that will make sure that your loop will stay good for years to come. We've integrated RGB in these products. So we have 16 RGB under this shroud here. The RGBs point downwards and are diffused, so they're very discrete RGBs that will give you the perfect lighting with your blocks. To move on here, we have our XT5 pump rest combos. The pump rest here features an extremely powerful XT5 pump. It's market proven and it's one of the best pumps that you can use for custom water cooling. We again have the transparent nylon here that has been injection molded into it. We have an included temperature sensor in the pump. We also have included brackets for 120 and 140 millimeter fans. And in the box for this also comes a power supply jumper. So once you want to test your loop and you want to bleed the air out, you don't have to have your motherboard or your graphic cards running. You can just hook this up to the power supply and cycle it on and off again. We have rubberized mounting grommets down here. So all of the vibration from the pump will be absorbed through these and give you a very silent operation. Moving on to our graphic cards water block here. We have a big lineup of different water blocks for the graphic cards. For example, we have for the 1080, the 1080 Ti, the 2070, the 2080 Ti, and 2080 as well. We also have for 2080 and 2080 Ti strict cards, as well as RX Vega 56 and 64. The graphic cards as well has been made with ease of mounting in mind. We've supplied a backplate in the box. The graphic cards also comes with pre-applied thermal pads, pre-applied thermal paste. So installing this in your system takes less than 10 minutes. We have an included flow meter and indicator here, so you will be able to see when your coolant is moving through the block. Everything is milled from nickel-plated copper and then put together. So these are high-performance water blocks here. Again, we have an integrated 16 LED RGB strip in the bottom here. So that lights side emitting upwards. So you're not able to see the actual LED strips, but you will get all the nice effects. So HydraX series is not just about good looks and cool performance. We also make sure to integrate everything into our existing IQ ecosystem. So you can control everything in these parts, not only the lighting, but also the fans and the pump speeds. For example, on this system here, we have Thermark running, and the coolant temperature that we are reading with our integrated coolant temperature sensor in here. From that one, we have made 2 new cooling modes so that the fans will automatically ramp up over time and the pump will automatically ramp up. So at any given time with the system, you'll be having the lowest noise levels possible, even when having the best performance as well. Into IQ, you can also hard code different profiles that you want to set. So you can even code that you want to have the most extreme performance at one time. So one hotkey will set all the fans to 100%. You can also use the hotkeys to change between different lighting profiles. So with our clear coolant and RGB implementation, maybe one day you're feeling like a red system. The other day you're feeling like having a green system. And the third day you might be feeling like having a blue system. With our hot switches and the RGB implementation, this is so easy to set up. You can complement everything into this, the keyboards, the mouse, the lighting of everything. And if you want to do your own custom cooling profiles, then you can also do that. So IQ and then HydraX series implementation is one of the most powerful tools that we believe that we have at the moment, giving you full control over the entire system.